Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this session, we'll solve some problems related to competitions. So our first question is, if 27x cube minus 64 cube, that is equal to ax plus by multiplied by cx square minus dy square plus 12xy, then we'll have to find the value of 4a plus b plus 3c plus 2d. So fine, now for solving, if you look at it is in the form of cube value, and again it is in the form of cube value, means a cube minus b cube. 27x cube we can write 3x and its whole cube. Similarly 64y cube we will write negative 4y and its whole cube, and it is in the form of a plus b multiplied by a square minus b square plus ab. Here it is negative. So now friend, we can write it is in the form of a cube minus b cube, means a cube minus b cube, and we know the formula of a cube minus b cube is a minus b multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square. It is the formula of a cube minus b cube. So similarly, a is here 3x and y is 4y. So we can write this as a minus b means 3x minus 4y multiplied by a square minus 3x square means 3x square means 3 3s are 9 and 9x square. Now after that we'll write dy square. It is negative here, so we'll write first b square value. B square means 4y and its square means plus 4 square is 16, 16y square, and after that we'll write plus ab. So it is plus ab means 3 multiplied by 4 is 12, 12xy. Now we'll compare this value. So here it is in place of 3 it is a. So we can write a is equal to 3. Similarly for b it is negative 4y. So b is negative 4, negative 4. Similarly here cx square. So x square and c is 9. So c is equal to 9. And now d here is 16 and it is negative sign, so d will be, the value of d will be negative 16. So now here we have calculated the value of a b c d. Now from here we can calculate the value of this term, means it is 4a plus b plus 3c plus 2d. So here in place of a it is 3, so we'll write 4 multiplied by 3 plus b means negative 4, so it is negative 4 and plus 3, and c, value of c is 9, so multiplied by 9 plus 2d, d means negative 16, so it is negative 16. Now we'll quickly simplify this. It is 4 3s are 12, and now here plus and minus will be minus 4, and here plus 3 and multiplied by 9 is 27, and here negative positive is negative. 16 to the 32. Now here 12 and 27 is 39, and here negative 4 and negative 32 is negative 36. So the value of this term, 39 minus 36 is 3, so the value of this term is 3. This is our answer of this problem. So the value of this term is 3. So find how quickly we have solved this problem. Now let's move to the second question, and here it is sec theta is given. Sec theta is a by b. Then we'll have to find the value of minus tan square theta. Whole term is divided by 2 minus sine square theta. So friend, please give thumbs up to the video and do not forget to subscribe our channel. So here sec theta, we know the formula of sec theta. Sec theta is hypotenuse divided by base. So similarly from here we can calculate the value of hypotenuse. Hypotenuse here is a, so hypotenuse is a and base is b, so base is b. Now we have to calculate the value of perpendicular, and we know the formula of Pythagoras theorem. The hypotenuse square is perpendicular square plus base square. So from here perpendicular square will be hypotenuse square minus base square, and the value of perpendicular will be square root hypotenuse square minus base square. Hope you people have understood this. Now from here we can calculate the perpendicular. Perpendicular will be square root hypotenuse square minus base square. Hypotenuse is a, so it is square root a square, and b is negative b, so it is negative b and its square. This is the value of perpendicular. Now quickly we'll solve this expression. So here we'll have to calculate the value of tan square theta and sin square theta, and we know tan theta is perpendicular divided by base. So here perpendicular is square root a square minus b square, and that is divided by base here is small b. Now it is the value of tan theta, so the value of tan square theta. So we'll have to calculate the value of tan square theta. So we'll square both the side. So here square root will be cancelled and it will be b square, means a square minus b square and divided by b square. It is the value of tan square theta. So now next term we will calculate sin square theta, and we know the formula of sin theta. Sin theta is perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. Here the perpendicular is square root a square minus b square. So in place of perpendicular we will write square root a square minus b square and divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse value is small a, so it is divided by small a. It is the value of sin theta. Now we'll have to calculate sin square theta. So we'll square both the sides. So it is sin square theta value will be, so if we square, the square root value will be cancelled. So in the numerator we have a square minus b square, and the denominator we have a, so it is a square. So now we'll put the value of all terms here. It is 1 minus tan square theta. So tan square theta value is a square minus b square divided by b square, now divided by 2 minus sin square theta. Sin square theta value is a square minus b square divided by, here it is a square. Now we'll simplify it. So now we'll quickly simplify this. Now for the numerator value we'll take LCM b square. So we'll take LCM b square. So now it will be b square, and here it is minus a square, and here minus minus plus plus b square. Now here in the denominator we'll take a square LCM. So it is a square LCM. Now it is 2 times a square, means 2a square, minus here it will be minus a square and minus minus plus b square plus b square. So now value of the numerator will be here b square, and b square will be 2b square. So it is 2b square, and here it is negative a square. Negative a square divided by, it is b square. Now for simplifying this denominator value, we'll reciprocal it. So it will be a square and divided by this value, here it is 2a square minus a square is a square and plus b square. So now we'll write it here. So this value will be, it is a square multiplied by, so we'll write first this a square is multiplied by this value, it is 2b square minus a square, and it is divided by, here it is b square multiplied by a square plus b square, a square plus b square, here it is a square plus b square. So friend, this is the simplest value of this term. So this is our answer of this problem. So friend, for solving this type of problem we will use this approach. Hope you have understood how we have solved this problem. So friend, if you have liked the video, do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching the video.